I got Raz, personal trainer. Today we're gonna do a push-up challenge. He's gonna have 10 kg on his back, and then I'm gonna adjust him, and he's gonna do push-up to failure again, and see if he can push more after the adjustment. He's 87 pounds on the left, 92 pounds on the right. Yeah. 42. Is that 42? So what I'm doing, I'm doing some muscle testing to see if I can find any weakness on Raz. Push up strong. Okay. So this compared to this, push up strong. This is solid. Okay. Turn your head to the left. Your feet pointing to the right. Yeah. Nice. 86, 88. And that's only one adjustment. Okay. 50. Man.